Welcome back, little heroes, to Genius ABC Heroes. Let's explore new and exciting things together. Okay, let's get started, heroes.
This is a beautiful red rose. Rose flower. Rose flower. Rose flower. This is a beautiful yellow sunflower. 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 This is a beautiful tulip flower. Tulip flower. Tulip flower. Tulip flower. This is a beautiful white daisy flower. Daisy flower. Daisy flower. Daisy flower. This is a beautiful pink lotus flower. Lotus flower. Lotus flower. Lotus flower. This is a beautiful white lily flower. Lily flower. Lily flower. Lily flower. This is a beautiful orange marigold flower. Marigold flower. Marigold flower. Marigold flower. This is a beautiful white orchid flower. Orchid flower. Orchid flower. Orchid flower. This is a beautiful red hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower. This is a beautiful pink cherry blossom flower. Cherry blossom flower. Cherry blossom flower. Cherry blossom flower. Rose flower. Sunflower. Tulip flower. Daisy flower. Lotus flower. Lily flower. Marigold flower. Orchid flower. Hibiscus flower. Cherry blossom flower.
Thank you kids for watching. See you in the next lesson.